Welcome to this tutorial about how a system administrator can complete the initial configuration of a camera for license plate recognition so that XProtect Smart Client users can quickly get started with this feature. This tutorial shows the process for setting up LPR in XProtect Advanced VMS. However, the steps are the same in XProtect Professional VMS. This process requires that you have installed XProtect LPR, mounted the camera and added it as hardware in the management client. Before you start the wizard, make sure that your camera settings are optimized for LPR. Now you are ready to configure the camera for LPR. Let's get started. Right-click the LPR server and select Add LPR Camera. The Add LPR Camera wizard takes you through the steps to configure the camera and capture license plates on video. Select the camera you want to configure. To learn more about how to prepare your camera for LPR, follow this link. Select the country modules that are relevant for your setup. A country module is a set of rules that defines license plates of a certain type and form belonging to a certain country, state, or region. By specifying the structures that you want to recognize, you speed up the recognition process. Country modules require licenses. You can enable as many country modules as you have licenses for. The license counter keeps you updated on the number of licenses that are available to you. After you license a country module, you can use an unlimited number of cameras with it. The licensed column indicates country modules that are already licensed. Select snapshots. The system uses snapshots to optimize the configuration and to visualize the effects of the recognition settings as they are applied. You must provide at least one valid snapshot to complete the initial configuration of the camera. By taking snapshots of vehicles in the actual environment, you help improve confidence levels in recognition. Milestone recommends that you select a minimum of 5 to 10 snapshots. The graphics illustrate examples of the situations that you should consider when you capture and select snapshots. The validation steps helps you determine whether your configuration settings suit your environment. Approve or reject each of the snapshots. If you have to reject many snapshots, you can return to the previous step and provide more snapshots. The next step is to add one or more lists of license plates that you want to treat in a certain way. These lists are called match lists. Recognitions are compared with these lists, and if there is a match, the system triggers an LPR event. If you haven't created a match list, you can select all. All match lists that you create are used with this camera. Your camera is now ready to recognize license plates. You can close the wizard.